Oh my God. What is up, Facebook Live? Drew Canole. I am so excited you guys are here this morning. I'm back again. Do me a favor, let me know when you're on, leave a comment below. I'm gonna pull it up on my computer here so I can see you. Facebook is giving us some glitches this morning, but here we go. Jacqueline, what is going on? Good to see you. We are live. Wow, it has been a long time since I've been with you guys. We got my morning dance party. Here it is. Come on. So much fun. Ariel, I can see you too. So good to see you. Good to see Jacqueline, Lisa, Ann. Good morning, good morning. Today we're talking about 3 superfoods that can detoxify your life. And I want to do this because every morning I wake up, I have a morning routine that I do. And it's changed my life. And why is it important? Well, first of all, 42,000 new toxins enter our environment every single year. And I was actually just in Whole Foods and I was explaining to 3 women. They came up to me and they were like, what are you getting? And I smelled like essential oils because I had these essential oils on, and they thought I was absolutely crazy because I went off on this tangent explaining to them why it's so important on a cellular level to flush out all the toxins in their body so that they can feel better. See, everything is a feeling in life. And when we feel optimal, when we have the energy that we want, when we have the mental clarity that we're going after in life, we can be more present with the people that we love. And everything is presence in this life experience. So I don't know about you, but every single day I'm adding things in to my diet, to my life that make it better, that give me more energy, more mental clarity, and I can function better. And a lot of people see weight loss, all kinds of stuff, when they really start to change their lifestyle and adopt some of these habits. So what are the 3 superfoods I'm talking about? I'm going to tell you in a second. But first off, Ruben, what is going on? Miss Garcia, good to see you. Let me know where you're from, you guys. I haven't connected with you in a while, so leave a comment below. Let me know where you're from in the world. I want to say hello and what's up to you. Started hot yoga, said Nikki. Amazing. Tanya, everyone around me is sick. I drink green juice and apple cider vinegar, and she's the only person that's healthy. Wow. Give it up for Tanya. Absolutely amazing. Tommy Lee Cure is from Colorado. We got Chicago. Anna, leave a comment, you guys. Let me know where you're from. Give me some hearts as well. We had a couple things malfunctions on the Facebook this morning, but it's all good. We are back. We have the internet. And I want to talk to you about something that's so cool this morning. One of my favorite superfoods to add in my life would be this one right here. Have you guys seen this? This is Moringa. Moringa powder is absolutely incredible. It's one of the greatest superfoods on the planet. It is loaded with lots of micronutrients. It's protein. It's got 2 times the amount of protein as kale, 3 times the amount of potassium as bananas, actually. Tons of iron, 2.5 times the fiber as kale does as well. And I know we tote kale like it's one of the greatest superfoods on the planet, but Moringa, when you take it, you really feel this surge of energy. Unlike a lot of the other superfoods out there. It's clean, it's pure, in its raw state. Moringa is absolutely incredible. I love it. If you love Moringa, give this a big heart as well. One of my favorite detoxifying foods right there is Moringa. And then also another superfood that I think not a lot of people talk about because everybody's so in love with coffee is something that I drink in the morning, and that is matcha tea. Matcha tea powder. I add it with hot water. I got one of those little teapots that I just put matcha in with, and it's incredible for you. It's got what's called L-theanine in it, and L-theanine is a cognitive enhancer. Helps your brain function. Matcha is like a 5-note symphony versus coffee with just 1 instrument. So you have all these different micronutrients and constituents in the matcha tea that allow you to see things more clearly, that give you that energy that you're looking for in the morning. There's ECGGs in it, actually, which are loaded with antioxidants that help clean up free radicals in your body. Now, if you don't want your free radicals cleaned up, don't worry about it. But I don't know about you. I'm trying to live as long as I can with as much life in my body as I can as well. And I know you feel the same way. Big thumbs up if you want to not only live a long life, but you want a lot of life in those years. Ariel, Michael, I felt so much better after drinking matcha green tea. Jasmine said she's never had it. Jasmine, you got to try it. Felicia McPherson, matcha is M-A-T-C-H-A. If we got any note takers, somebody wants to leave a comment below, that would be absolutely incredible as well. Jamie, good morning to you. Christy K, good morning. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret here in a moment of how you can get all these superfoods and many more in a second here. And many of you probably already know what I'm talking about because you've been such a loyal fan, such an amazing human that's been a part of this mission probably since the beginning of time. If you have seen any of my other videos, leave a comment below. Let me know maybe a Mindset Monday or a Saturday strategy that inspired you to take health into your own hands. What that does for me is afterwards, you guys, I read every single one of these comments and it really connects me with you. I really feel and I really get to see for a moment who you are. And I look at you as if you're my brother or my sister or a really close friend, somebody who I care very much about. So the reason we started all this in the beginning of these videos and creating Organifi is because we wanted our friends and family to feel how good we feel, how good I felt every single day taking these micronutrients and these superfoods that are in my diet. So I just want you to feel absolutely incredible. I want you to be that type of person that just has dance parties everywhere you go and you have explosive amounts of energy just because that's who you are. So Banu, I think I said your name right. Good morning. Thanks for the detox tips. You're absolutely welcome. Lori says, what's up? Elena, good morning. How are you? Shelly, I see you too. Good to see you. Christian, good to see you. All right, so there's another superfood that I want to talk to you guys about. So far, we talked about Moringa and we've talked about Matcha. Next up is Spirulina. Now, Spirulina, if you've heard of it, big thumbs up. It's one of my favorite superfoods to detox. It's loaded with vitamin Bs. It helps create new stem cells in the body with the micronutrients that are in it. It flushes out a lot of those toxins. Most people take around 3,000 milligrams a day, I believe is the dose, which gives you more energy, helps get rid of a lot of the heavy metals in your body as well that we accumulate. There's 42,000 new toxins in our environment every single year, and that's going up. You know, everything from dry cleaning, from the house chemicals that we use in our house. So you really want to think consciously about what you can do every single day to remove many of those things and then add in the things that actually help build up an immune system to it and keep you in a good state. Justin Ham, what is going on? Jess Aiden, good to see you back on Facebook. So that is Spirulina. Now, the thing about Spirulina, if you've ever had it, it doesn't have the best taste. Some people say it kind of tastes like fish water, and I don't disagree with you at all. If you're really crazy, like I have been known to do, sometimes I put a little on my popcorn. I can add it to, it kind of gives it like a cheesy flavor, which may sound crazy for you. If you've ever done it, leave a comment below and let me know. So those are the 3 superfoods that I'm talking about today. And Joni, you are so smart because a lot of times when we take these superfoods separately, the taste is terrible. Like you don't want to do it every day. So what we've done, and I want to talk to you about this today because this is one of my babies here. This was created 3 years ago. We started Organifi green juice and it is absolutely incredible. It has the spirulina, it's got the matcha and the moringa all infused in it. But it actually tastes great. And there's a multitude of other superfoods in here. There's actually 11 superfoods that are equally as amazing. There's ashwagandha in here, which has been shown to lower stress. And it's an adaptogenic root. If you know what that is, big thumbs up if you know what ashwagandha is. Lowers stress, helps with cognitive function. There's beet juice in here too, which increases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is pivotal for our aging, right? It's got coconut extract, which gives it a better flavor with monk fruit. That's how we sweetened it. You see, most green superfoods out there use stevia. Now, stevia can be known as a microgut biome disruptor, can jack up your system a little bit depending on what kind it is. Many of them actually have artificial sweeteners and like aspartame and whatnot. And you really want to stay away from that stuff because that's a neurodisruptor that can jack your brain up. Long term, there's not a lot of research or studies on what it can do to you, but it has been shown to be not the greatest thing. So when we're making the world's greatest superfood, we incorporated things in there that we knew would really contribute to your overall health. There's wheat juice powder in here as well. There's turmeric. Everybody's heard of turmeric. Turmeric's insanely anti-inflammatory. Really, really, really good for you. And it tastes awesome. Let me know if you've had this too. Leave a comment below and let me know if you've tried the green juice, what you think about it, because I'm just curious as we start the new health journey that we're on together. And as somebody who really cares about your health, I want to know. So if you haven't tried this yet, you can get it by clicking the link above as well. I left a link there, and I'm going to give you a discount for all my friends that click that link right now and go to Organifi to get the green juice. Absolutely incredible. It tastes amazing. And yeah, so Jess Aiden, good to see you. Linda, Jennifer, best green juice ever, said Jennifer. So delicious. Bonnie said, I mix it with smoothies. I love it. Shelly said she loves it. Dana said, I love the red juice. Wow, you guys are so amazing. So absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching this. Remember to start adding more of these superfoods in your diet. And direct message me on Facebook. Let me know how you're feeling, because I really do care. I want to know how you are. And if you're ever in San Diego, let's have a green juice together and share a juice together, as I'm about to do now. So if you're in your kitchen and you already have green juice, I want you to make a cup with me right now. And we're going to have, I actually add a little bit more in mine because I love the taste of it that much. And it's simple. It mixes so easy. I don't even need a blender. Put it in just like this. And I spill it all over my keyboard. That's okay. And I mix it up just like so. And in about 30 seconds, I have a green juice that would normally cost 10 to 12 bucks at Whole Foods or another one of these natural markets. But I'm getting the superfoods. I'm getting the adaptogens. And it's less than $2 a day, which is incredible. So here it is. We're having a green juice together. Justin, let's do this. Yes, 30 servings in one container. It's absolutely so good. It never gets old. I've been drinking this every day, and I can say I look forward to drinking this. Another great way to drink this is if you still want that warm drink in the morning. Just a little bit of almond milk, heat it up, and then add this to it. And then you have like a matcha minty, coconutty latte. It's absolutely incredible. So good for you, so good in your belly. I'm going to start doing a lot more lives, my friends. So thank you for joining me so much this morning. Cheers to you. Cheers to your health. Let me know what you're creating today. Leave a comment below of what your intention is, who you're going to be, what you're going to create. I'm Drew Canole. As always, remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.